Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very exciting video, and it's about saving money, of course. Now, what we do here on my channel is we go to drugstores and we go to big box stores to where we can walk out of there with free items or even make money through rebate apps, rewards programs, things like that. But we don't talk about a lot online shopping. I live in the middle of nowhere. I online shop quite frequently. Just last night, my stepson needed summer pajamas. I ordered them. They'll be here in a couple of days because I just don't have access to those type of things. Plus, I really love shopping on Amazon, but that's just a small secret that we're not going to tell very many people. So anyways, we are going to talk about Coupert. Coupert is a free online extension that you can put on into your browser in just a few seconds. And it is a browser extension that basically searches for coupon codes, and you get cash back as well. So you can earn up to 20% back on places like Walmart, Amazon, Target, CVS, all these stores that we already shop at, but sometimes we buy things online. I know that Target's clothes, I like to get them online. They have a better selection online. And I like to get Target clothes shipped to me. So what we're going to do today is I am going to show you on my computer here how we can use the browser extension and how that we can bring even more money back into our pockets when we shop online for practically anything. Now, Coupert does have a cashback guarantee, and I'll show you here in just a second that when you hit the activate cash button, that you will receive cash back in your Coupert account. Now, I do have an exclusive link down below for you to go to so that you can download this coupon extension. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to go to is Coupert.com, and we're going to install the extension to our web browser. I'm going to show you in Chrome. I use Safari and I've already installed it there, but I wanted to show you here because most people use Google Chrome. So we're going to go to Add to Chrome, and it's going to take us to the Chrome Web Store, and right here is where you would click Install, although I am not going to remove it. And once you have it installed, make sure you have it pinned up here. And it's going to have this area here, and it's going to give you a little bit of information, but since we're not on a store website yet, it's not going to matter just this second. So we're going to go back to Coupert, and then we're going to sign up for an account. Once we have our account set up, and of course you would set up your account by using my handy dandy referral link down below. So when you go to all stores, it's going to take you to this page here. I am going to go to Ulta.com. And right here is Ulta, and we're going to click on Ulta, and it's going to take us here and show us that Ulta is giving us back 5.48% cash back. And we are going to click Activate Cash Back, and then that's going to take us to Ulta.com. Now, if it doesn't pop up right away, just click right here, and it's going to have this little box here. It's going to have a coupon code. It's going to have more coupon codes, but we're going to hit activate. Now that's showing us that we'll get the cashback guarantee because our cashback is activated. Okay, so now that I'm signed in, I'm just going to add a few things to my cart, a few things that I would like. I've already got one thing in there. So there is a few things that I would like to get. Okay, so now that I have a few things added to my cart, we're just going to go to the little bag here. And right here on this side, it is showing apply coupons. There's this C here on this side. Now, you're just going to hit apply coupons, and it's going to automatically look for coupons, and it's going to test some codes, and it's going to take just a second for the system to run its course and check everything out for you. And then once that is done, we will go over some more basics with the website and how the program works a little bit more. So here it says you already have the best price, so let's check out. Another store that is pretty high up for the percentage rate, I think, is Macy's. So we could go to Macy's here and we can hit activate cash back. And I am going to just add something to my cart really quick. Right here it says activate 0.08 to 5.6% cash back. Also 2 times cash back and 300 gold on the first purchase. And it says that coupons have been found, so let's apply the coupons. And that's a little bit cuter graphic to see when it's looking for the coupons. So what it does is it's basically testing them. It's trying different codes to see what works. And it also says that I already have the best price. So then you would continue to check out and then you would check out. So let's go back to the website. Now one thing you can do is you can also refer your own friends and you can get cash back as well. You will get 500 gold points when you refer a friend, which equals $5. So I signed up for an account and I clicked a couple of things and this is the amount of gold I got today. Now you can come back and you can complete small little tasks if you want to help add more gold to your account, or you can just use it by shopping. So here is a chart on what you can do to earn your gold points. So you can install the extension, you can sign up, you can do a daily check-in, you can complete your profile, try out the demo, complete your first order, view hot deals, share a code. You don't have to do all these different things to earn the gold, but those are the different ways that you can add gold into your account to check out. So another thing is when you are shopping or when you're on just your computer in general and you're online, you'll have this little C right here up in the upper right hand corner. But if you can earn cash back, there will be a little $ right here, just like in this little example here. So that is one way that you can know that you can earn cash back. Now here it says, how do I redeem cash back? When you get to $10, you are able to withdraw. And when you're withdrawing your Coupert Gold, which is your money, you will be charged a handling fee with PayPal, and it will go to your PayPal account. And it's based on the percentage of what you transfer over to your PayPal account. So if you want to read all the fine print and the terms and conditions, you can go here to how to earn cash back and scroll down, and after you go past the graphic part, you have Coupert cashback terms, and it explains everything here for you. As you can see, there's a maximum cash back on one order of $50. They are subject to change to go up or down. They are based on your final purchase, not including taxes or shipping. So one more thing that I want to reiterate before we go, because that's about it, is that with Coupert, after you hit the $10 mark in your account, you are able to cash out anytime that you would like to your PayPal account. And I think that is amazing. So anyways, guys, I hope I answered all of your questions. If you have any more questions, drop them down below. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And thank you so much for your time today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.